Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes C-Class. You can get to it to telephone in a number of ways. There's here you've got Navi, radio, media and telephone there, so you can either click telephone there or you can click star here, which brings up the menu, and then you navigate to telephone, select telephone, and we want this bottom menu there. If for any reason it's on the top, you just need to pull that back towards you, and you've got options in connect device. Now, you're trying to delete a device, you wouldn't expect to have to press connect device, but connect device, and then it gives you a list of phones that's available. Down to my phone, there's a menu at the side here that's greyed out, so we knock the rotary thumb wheel across and that brings up another menu, and you've got deauthorize, so click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Yes. Click select again, and again, or you can do it using this. There we go. If we go to there and then across, so I've gone too far, go across with your finger, deauthorize yes. Do you want to deauthorize? Yes. That's a stupid idea as well. Deauthorize. Yes. Just may as well just get rid of them all while I'm here. The previous owners. Deauthorize. Yes. So that's it. That's how you delete a mobile.